Hello guys, welcome to my vlogs again. This is a part 2 of my antenna tuner, VHF antenna tuner. This is a part 2 videos. And today, I will show you the schematic of my antenna tuner. So let's first test the performance of this antenna tuner using my power meter and SWR meter. So right now, let's tuning on this frequency. Okay, full power. Look at the SWR. So high. That's because let's tuning the SWR first. Look at the SWR before and after. Okay, set the conductance, not power. Conductance first, and turn this one, the tuning knob. Oh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. 1.2. Okay, 1.2. If you turn this another tuning knob, look at that. Yeah. Okay, 1.1. Okay. 1.1, 45 watts. Because 28 hotel is a 45 watts maximum. Okay. This is a conductance. You can turn this for other frequency. But the VHF is right here. The center amateur frequency. You can turn it on the lower frequency and the higher frequency. This box is I'm using the SCS QRN squasher because I have this 5 pieces of this one, and I sacrificed the one because I'm not using it anymore. Okay, this antenna tuner is DIY only. So let's see the schematic of this one. So let's draw the schematic of my antenna tuner. This is a connection between TX and antenna. Okay, this is a ground connected to the ground. Another one connected to the ground. Okay. So this is a jumper. And another connection to this positive is call it a 3 ground. and connect this one to direct to the variable capacitor. Okay. This one is connected to another variable capacitor. This one connected to that one. This one is selector variable, and this one is connected to ground, and this connection is connect to the selector. We have about 1, 2, 3 connector, selector. The first collector is connected to the ground, and this one is direct to the positive one, and this one is connected to this, and the other one is connected the ground. Okay. So it's a simple connection. This is my own theory, not it's my own invention of my antenna tuner. It's a DIY. Okay. So let's test another one frequency. Let's try a lower frequency. It's 1.5. Select the selector. Choose the best SWR and tune it with this knob. That one and this one. Okay. It's a 1.1. Okay. It's a 1.1. It's a simple antenna tuner. Using recycled parts. So any antenna I can use with this antenna tuner. Even my antenna is for SSB antenna, I can tune it for a VHF to use a VHF using my antenna tuner. Okay. Okay. So that's it for now. I hope these videos can help you to make a DIY antenna tuner. And sorry for my English. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next on video.